Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Google Analytics 4 to track your website traffic and user behavior, follow these step-by-step instructions to implement this essential tool. Step 1. Go to analytics.google.com and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, create one first. Step 2. Click Start Measuring or Admin in the bottom left corner. Then click Create Account and enter a name for your analytics account, such as your company name. Step 3. Configure data sharing settings according to your preferences, then click Next. These settings control how Google can use your aggregated data. Step 4. Create a property by entering your property name, which is typically your website name. Select your reporting time zone and currency, then click Next. Step 5. Provide business information, including your industry category and business size. This helps Google Analytics provide relevant insights and benchmarking data. Step 6. Click Create and accept the Google Analytics Terms of Service and Data Processing Amendment by checking the boxes and clicking I accept. Step 7. Choose your platform by selecting Web, since you're setting up tracking for a website. Then enter your website URL and stream name, usually your website name. Step 8. Copy the measurement ID that starts with G and paste it into your website. If you're using WordPress, install a plugin like SiteKit by Google or add the code to your theme's header file. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.